outside is frightful, but the fire is so delightful. Since we've no place to go, let it snow, let it snow, let it snow.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm so happy that you are here. Merry Christmas, happy holidays. It's so crazy that like Christmas is just in a few days. I wanted to film a holiday house tour because we are actually moving, so I wanted to kind of just do a house tour, but holiday edition since we have all of our Christmas decorations up, just to kind of remember this place because it's our first home together. So I thought that would be really, really special. And honestly, it's just like, it's so bittersweet moving. Like, it's just the craziest thing. We're actually going to be moving to California to live with my parents for a few months because we're waiting on my in-laws house to be finished building here in Utah, and then we'll move back to Utah and live with them in a basement. So I am super excited, but I just wanted to do this little house tour before we pack everything up. But without any further ado, let's get started. Let's do this. Come on in. Welcome to our house. I'm so excited to give you guys the tour around. We're gonna kick off the shoes. This is where we keep our little slippers. So this is our official house tour, and I am gonna start here in our kitchen. So, good old fridge. Just kidding, nothing really exciting in here. To start with decorations, we got this really cute rug. This is from Target. I love the colors of it. We kind of have some of our Christmas decorations out right now because it's the holiday time. We have these really, really cute little flour and sugar little pots. Is that the right word? Canister maybe. Those are from Target, as well as our matching butter me up dish. And we also have this really, really cute little plant. This is from IKEA. We love some greenery, and I feel like it looks pretty decent and real. Moving on, let's kind of go to this area. We have this shelf because we don't actually have a pantry in our house. So this is from Amazon, but it works great. We kind of have all these little containers. I'm sure they're from Amazon as well, but I know they sell them at Target. We keep all of our food in it, and then some of our appliances down here. Right here is our kitchen table. I actually got this off of Facebook Marketplace, and it was a good little table for the space. So moving on, this is our living room. We love our little living room. It has a great little space for us. We're gonna start over here. Let's turn the lights on because it's Christmas. Ready? Wow, beautiful. This cute little shelf is also from the thrift store. I saw this and I literally ran when I saw it. I was like, wow, this is the best thing I've ever seen. It was like literally $5. So I've had it all decorated for Christmas. So we have our little nativity. This is from the Deseret bookstore. I have some cute little trees from Target. Just different little fun decorations. Moving on, we got our good old couch. This thing is the best thing I would say in our house. We actually also found this on Facebook, and it is so, so comfy. Literally, we sleep on this all the time. Got some cute pillows, Target, of course. Coffee table. This is from Facebook Marketplace. I guess we've done a lot of things from Facebook Marketplace. Let's go on. We got our Christmas tree, my favorite part of the house currently right now. Christmas tree is from Target. Ornaments, probably a mix of Hobby Lobby, Target. Super, super nice. And then over here we got this really, really nice shelving area. Not a shelving area, this is just a table. And this is also from Target. And we have some more decorations, probably also from Target. Picture frames, Hobby Lobby. Then our TV console, love this thing. We got this also from Target, guys. What a surprise. Everything's from Target. Has these nice little drawers, which is really nice. And then our big size TV on it. Also, guys, we have a backyard, which is like the coolest thing ever, and I feel like, ooh, I did not unlock that. We didn't take advantage of it to our full ability, but this is a little sneak peek into the backyard. Got some snow, but yeah.
It's completely overexposed.
Right here, we got our storage closet. Not much to see, it's not the most organized, but we're gonna move on to the bathroom. Bathroom's pretty small, but you know, it works for our needs. We got this cute little tree here for the festive time of the year. I love that this house came with like the 2 storage shelves, so that was really, really nice. And of course, our shower. Also, guys, this is what we've been using instead of putting our stuff on there, and it's so nice. It's from Walmart. Seriously, a game changer if you need more space. Let's keep going on. Next part of the house, we're gonna come down here. It's a 2-bedroom, so this is not the cleanest room. It's kind of our junk room / office, as you can kind of see. But this is my desk. I'm pretty sure I got her at Target a few years ago. I also like to do my makeup here, so I have like my little makeup drawers, my desktop, just different storage shelves, all of our perfumes. Over here we have a shelving unit that we got from Costco, which is super, super nice. And then Ian's gaming desk. It's where he spends most of his nights, late evenings. I hate it. Then we got the full-size mirror. Ian could show them. Show yourself. Wow. Cute. And then this is where the magic happens, the bedroom. Come on in to the bedroom. Honestly, we never really focused on this room decoration-wise. It's very simple. There's not a lot of furniture. It's mainly just our bed. I love our bed. It's really comfy. We got a closet space over here. I can kind of show that. Super nice because it has these like built-in shelves, which is pretty cool. So that's pretty nice. We have each of our sides. Our side tables are from Target. And then this is also from Target with our TV on it. So that kind of is our little house tour. We'll bring you back out to all the beautiful natural light. Thank you so much for joining us today on our house tour. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. Have a very Merry Christmas. I'll see you guys later. Bye!